Hello. If you have a second generation Prius and your car is smelling like a dead animal or something, here is the reason. These are battery ventilation tubes, and these smells, these make that smell. I already swapped new ones with clear tube. This is very easy. You just need to drill holes in that tube and I put hot glue in those ends, and that's fix the problem. Third generation Prius doesn't even have these tubes. Maybe because this starts to smell when they're aging or something. Also, you have to clean all those surfaces, battery case inside these ventilation cooling tubes, fan, and maybe make some ozonation in the car so you can get rid of smell. This also can have a problem with clogged AC drip tube. It's there. You have to remove this, and then you just blow air then, and the water comes out. After that you can inject some cleaning foam there, and it's gonna fix that problem. Also, there is problem, as you can see, there has been water or moisture here and in the trunk. So this problem is caused because here is cracked seal. You have to put some silicone or something in here so water can go inside anymore. But those cracks in seal in body kit can happen. Water can go inside there, in the battery box, there in the spare wheel place, and under those seats. So this is one thing you should fix also, and you could have this problem. So check your spare tire place if there is water, or in the battery where down there. That's caused by that leaking body kit crack. Okay, I put some photos when I made those tubes, and you can see how I made it. Thanks for watching.